last one.
Let's go Victoria.
Wag lang gaya, ha?
Second to the last.
And the last one is goes to, congratulations! Janelle!
Pag wala talaga ako, ibibigay ko lahat ng picture nyo.
Do the honor, please.
Itumba na yan si Sarah.
And the last one goes to
Fernanda!
Sorry, there's a baboy. Okay. Guys, pwede mag-exchange gift kung gusto nyo. Congratulations.
Ipapadala na lang namin pag-abola ng pangalan.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, guys, this is our first minor raffle, so we still have coming more. There's major surgery operation, liposuction, disectomy, endoscopy. Heard some inspiration message. Inspiration message, okay. From inspiration message.
Kumpay na muna ng ano, para may pang...
As we call this as a part of IMG, what can you share to those who are newly recruit?
What? Oh my God.
Recruit. Okay. So what can you say to those who are to encourage to save more and also to like that when you one person you like that. Okay, and to convince to other and to join IMG. So in behalf to those who are already.
Pag hindi sila sasali, bahala sila.
Oh.
Every lang.
We call this encouragement and inspiration. To those who are old members, yes. Who in the how many years already? It's been years or months?
2 years.
Sorry?
2 years.
2 years.
Dati ano?
3 years.
3 years.
So, ang una upuan si...
From those who are already 2 years in IMG, just share experience and words encouragement to the newly recruit.
Dito sa
Good honor,
Hindi talaga ako.
Sheila din, please. When you, Sheila. Magaling din, right tayo din.
Okay, once again,
Ito serious? Oh my God.
It's a mission. In one shop, we have healthcare insurance and then investment as well. So for us, kagaya po sa atin na OFW, so pag uwi tayo, so, hindi sa lahat ng oras, okay. Kahit sabihin natin may mga investment tayo, tayo nagkasakit, talagang mabibenta natin siya ng mura kasi nga, di ba, kailangan ng pera. Sa panahon ngayon, ng hospital talaga hindi tatanggap sa'yo pag wala ka talagang advance na bayad. And then one thing, yung mga investment din, mauubos din talaga yan. So, healthcare insurance is very important kasi hindi sa lahat ng oras, may pera din tayo sa bulsa natin. And then alam niyo sa pagtanda natin, i-picture out mo yung sarili mo ngayon at the age of 60 or 70 years old compared sa may ipon at sa walang ipon. So just for example, sa tatay ko, so namatay siya noon na walang mga healthcare insurance. So salamat talaga sa Diyos na binigyan ako ng chance para ma-provide ko yung mga gamot niya. So 6 siblings kami, ako lang isa talaga yung provide ng lahat-lahat. So, tsaka may mga anak tayo, hindi naman natin masasabi talaga na lahat sila is talagang mag-aano sa atin sa mga sacrifices natin. And one thing, hindi naman natin magagawang retirement fund yung mga anak natin kasi nga, di ba, obligasyon natin yan as a parents na mabigyan sila ng much better future. So, as I said, so picture out natin yung sarili natin, 60 to 70 years old, sa may savings at sa walang savings. Sino ba naman yung tatanda sa atin, no, na ayaw natin na walang ipon? So as I said, sino ba naman yung tatanda sa atin na wala tayong savings? So mas gugustuhin nyo ba na magmumukong kayo sa gilid ng walang ipon? Or mas gugustuhin nyo na pagtatanda kayo andyan lahat ng mga pangangailangan nyo, may inaantay kayo sa gilid? So that's all. Thank you.
Yun lang pala eh.
Thank you for the quotes.
Kaya
It's okay, that's
okay lang.
Advertisement.
now after that one, so after Sheila Lynn, from based on true personal experience, let's hear from another words encourage. Yes. Oh, okay. From one of our longest member, those are experience and also already have investing a lot. Please welcome. Yes.
Yay. Let's give her a round of
Give
applause.
her a round of applause, guys.
Pa. Okay. May kudigo? May kudigo, Dad? Ay. Okay.
Wala pa, pilon. Ikaw nag-translate, ikaw na.
Ayaw natin. Okay. So, here's my input. So, bakit tayo kailangan ng insurance? Siyempre, tayo, ang akin lang, benefits ng insurance. Tayong lahat tatanda. Tayong lahat uuwi sa atin kung saan man tayo galing. Tapos, isipin nyo, sinong kasama natin pag-uwi? Sinong uuwian natin pag-uwi? Sinong aalaga sa atin pag kung may mangyari sa atin? Correct. Diba? Isipin nyo yun. Oo, sasabihin nyo na, ay, wag na lang muna ngayon kasi marami akong bayarin. Ha? Bakit ba pag na-aksidente ka, sasabihin sa'yo, mamaya ka na.
No more. Little overeating. Then my brain, customer, tok 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 tok. No more. Really, so sleeping. So I talk. I tell you. Okay. No, in that case, I'm just joking, guys. So after those who are came here, so as we know, some others already go back. So we cannot do that one. They have their own valid reasons. So after we give some tip, am I right, for our dress code? So to those who are best in dress code, we give to those who give effort and also look glamorous. Glamorous. Thank you so much.
Pictorial time, guys. Mga blue at saka iba-ibang kulay. Sa totoo lang, guys, iba talaga. Blue talaga ang dapat na suotin namin time na ito. Kaya lang, yung iba hindi nakaprovide at hindi nag-prepare sa blue coding ng aming costume. Kaya ayun, ang mga dilag nagpa-picture ng nagpa-picture. Ngisi doon, ngisi dito. Ang laki-laki ng mga smile. Parang ano, parang mga artista, mga sikat. Ayan. Nakikita niyo guys, ang saya-saya ng aming pagdiriwan. At yan lang, maraming salamat.